Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draft a pattern for an extended shoulder cap sleeve top. So the top and the sleeve are all one piece, so there's no sleeve pattern involved. So for this pattern all you're going to need is your chosen bodice block. So I use the close fitting bodice block, which I will link below. So to start, you're going to simply want to trace around both your front and the back of your bodice pattern. So now we're going to raise the shoulder by 1 centimeter. You will want to do this at the top of the armhole. Sorry about the bad angle of the camera, but all you're simply doing here is drawing a new line from the top of your neckline to the new raised point on your shoulder. And you're going to do this for both the front and the back. So now we need to create a new balance point. So from the bottom of the armhole, you're going to measure down 3 centimeters along the side seam and just mark this point in. And again, you're going to do this for both the front and the back. So next you need to extend the back shoulder line to the length that you desire. So I went with 20 centimeters, but again, you choose whatever length you want. So once your length is chosen, you're simply going to continue that shoulder line to meet the new point. So now using a curved ruler, you're going to join the new shoulder point to the new balance point that you drew in at the side seam. And this is going to create the final armhole shape. So on the front pattern, you're going to extend the shoulder the same length as you did with the back pattern. And like the back pattern, you're going to draw in your new armhole using a curved ruler. And that is the pattern finished. So it's quite quick and easy. So now all you need to do is add in your pattern information and your seam allowance. So before cutting out your pattern, a bit of advice I'd give is to maybe put a few lines through your old armhole, just to remind yourself that that isn't there anymore, because I don't know how many times that I forgot about it and started cutting out the pattern and cut out the old armhole instead of going around the new one. So that's just a little bit of personal experience and advice. So when your pattern is cut out, don't forget to mark in all your notches and then you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button as it really supports my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.